So I'm making this video to help out people who are going to join Accenture during this work from home period, which I suppose will continue till this December. And I too had this problem when I joined, and I have listed out some questions which people do have in their mind when they join Accenture, and this would help them even after joining also. So let's start. The first one is, what if I want to join early from the set joining date on my offer letter, and how can I achieve the same? So if you want to join your Accenture before your joining date, before your supposed joining date, you can just call your HR and ask her or him about an earlier joining date, and they will work out with you and will provide you with an early joining date and a new offer letter with the said joining date on it. So that would not be an issue. You can just call them and reaffirm that you can join early, and they will just create a new offer letter for you with the set joining date and will give it to you. Moving on to the second one, what if I have been assigned to a location which I'm not comfortable with? So yes, this is a case with some of the hirees, like they want to, like say if they have been interviewed for a Gurgaon location and the offer letter has been rolled out for a Mumbai location. So they don't want to go to Mumbai and they want to stay at Gurgaon itself. So they can, after accepting offer letter also, they can contact the HR during this phase where you have resigned from the previous company and not joined Accenture. You can keep in touch with your HR. And Accenture generally hires based on technology, not on project requirements. So accordingly, if a project is available in your in your preferred work location, they will work out and see if the technology's skill set is required in that project, and they will map it to that location. So that should not be an issue, provided there is a requirement of a technology and relevant project is there in that location. Moving on, when will I receive my laptop after joining? So as soon as your joining date comes nearby, you start getting mails and you need to provide some information. So I got my laptop after around 4 or 5 days of my joining. So they start the process before you're joining, and you get it as soon as they have the availability and how far are you from your a said location, a said warehouse. So basically within a week you will get your laptop after joining. Fourth one, can I renegotiate my package if I have another offer in my hand? Yes, you can, depending on the skill set you are being hired for. There are some niche skills which require a certain amount of proficiency, and if Accenture requires that and feels it that they need a certain person with these certain skills, you can definitely provide your new salary which you want. You can ask them, and you can definitely renegotiate and get your compensation figured out after talking to the HR. You can definitely go for it. Fifth one, if I'm joining at level 9 and above, what is the time frame given to structure my salary? Yes, as you will get to know that people who are joining at level 9 and above, like level 8, level 7 and above, you get this facility to structure your salary. And don't worry, you don't need to do it before joining. After joining also, there are sessions which are being conducted, and you will get to know how can you structure it. The 17th of a month, like let's say you are joining in June 20th, and you will get a July 17 and an August 17, a 2-month period. So if you do it in July, then you will not get an August month to edit it. If you don't submit it in July, then you will have to go and do it in August. And if you don't do it then also, then they will apply a default value to all the fields, and you will get a default salary structure set for you. So you get a couple of chances before you can structure your salary. Yeah, that is sixth. What if I join and there is a delay for my last company in providing me relevant letters or documents, which actions I can perform from my end? So when you leave your last company, you need a relieving letter and experience letter before joining a new company. Sometimes that can be a delay, and especially during this pandemic, cars, um, submitting a laptop or some assets which are of last company can take some time, and clearance can take some time. So if you join Accenture, people over there uh, are understanding enough. So they give you that much of time. You can just provide some screenshot or a acceptance email also, and they can keep it. But yeah, over the time they would require it. So they give ample amount of time for you to get letters from your last company and provide it here. So you don't need to worry about it. You can just keep on following it up and update of as and what is required by Accenture. Coming to next, when and where to send all requested joining document, and you should wait for acknowledgement. So when you join, there are some formalities you need to do. There are some documents which you need to fill it up and keep it on that portal. They will share that link, and once you do it, and if you do have some questions when filling them up, you can just keep it to yourself. And before joining, I had a session with the joint team, and they helped me out with my questions. And till the time you have submitted all the documents in that portal and the data is correct over there, they will verify it. Then only your boarding will complete, and then only you will be mapped to a project. So you will receive the link to fill the details well enough in time. But you don't need to worry. Before joining, they will help you out, and once you are clear with your submission of documents on the portal, they will provide you the project details and all. So once you join in, after 10 or 15 days, they give you a postal mail ID that for me was Bangalore, where you need to send all this document duly signed by you. And once they receive it, they don't give you an acknowledgement. If there is an issue, they will let you know. They will ping you, or they will mail you, and they will ask for some more documents for it, or some clearance would be sought out for it. And once they are done with it, they will close it out. They will know there will be no acknowledgement if your documents are all correct. So you can just leave it as it is. Coming to next one, what if I am facing any issue with any of the details? Yeah, with any of the details required to be filled in, any of the document to be submitted on the first day of joining. So as I told you, you need not to worry. Before joining, they will keep a session, and they will help you out with all the questions that are required to fill your documents. Coming to next one, will I get ID card? So as you join from your home, you will not get an ID card, because you are not going to office and it is not required. So they are not sending you an ID card as of now, a physical ID card. So that is not available as of now. When you will be called to office, then they will make arrangement for the same. Coming to next one, can I get vaccinated at any of the Accenture location, and if yes, then how? You can get Accenture is providing services to its employees and their dependents to get vaccinated, and I would also suggest everyone to get vaccinated as soon as they can. And Accenture is giving the shots at all the locations situated in metro cities. So you don't need to get your iCard for this. You can just take a screenshot of your employee portal where your employee number and all are mentioned, and you can take that and go to your Accenture office, and they can proceed with that details. So you do need not to worry. You can just book the slot and take this printout and go and show them and get vaccinated. This coming to question number 11th, and I'll be covering 12th also on the same go. What if I join after 17th of a month? When will my salary credited for that month? And when will my joining bonus credited to my account? So let's say you have joined Accenture on 20th of a month. Let's say you have joined it on 20th of June, and on 30th of June you will be expecting your salary to be credited as it is the last working day of that month. But that's not the case here. You will get access to Allsec portal after 7 to 10 days of your joining, and then you need to fill in your details over there. Once your details are clearly mentioned over there and they have verified it, you will get your salary credited to your account on next month, July 9th or 10th. They have a off period cycle, and they will credit your account with the salary prorated to your number of days of working. And some people are eligible for a joining bonus. So like I said in the previous example, you will not get it on the first salary, as I told you, in July 9th or 10th, but when you have completed the whole month of your joining of your let's say in the last example I gave you, you work for 11 day in June. When you complete a whole month in July and you get salary of July on 30th or 31st July, so 10 you will be credited with your salary of that month, and the joining bonus you had it in your offer letter would be added to that salary, and you will be getting it on the last working day of the subsequent month. One, what is the time frame to add dependent to my corporate insurance plan and also to add any top-ups? So yes, Accenture provide you with your insurance plan. 3 lakh is provided as a lump sum amount where you and your wife and your children are covered. So if you want to add more amount to your insurance, you can definitely take top-ups, or you want to add dependents like your mother, father, your in-laws, you can take top-ups and pay premium accordingly. So within 45 days of your joining, you will be getting this notification, and this will also be told to you in your joining orientation programs, where you will get 45 days to fill in your details and add the top-ups, and you can do it within that time frame. So yeah, that's with 13. Coming to 14th, what if you have been hired for a technology and yet to be mapped to a project, and what will happen if on the day of joining you're not mapped to any of the project? So Accenture is basically hiring for technologies. Project specific hiring is also going on, but yeah, more of technology specific candidate they keep on adding, and according to future projects they add people on the technologies, and then they map to different clients or different projects. So it can happen that you have been rolled out with offer letter, and after let's say a month or a couple of months, if your notice period is 3 months, you'll be getting calls to attend client interviews. So client would be taking your interviews, and if you clear that, then you have been mapped to that project, and if not, then also you'll be going to join. But on the joining date, if you have a project with you before joining, then you will have a job code for that. Otherwise they will keep you on bench for some time on respective zone bench, and then according to your skill set and according to your technology, people will keep on engaging with you, and wherever you are suited, the people will call you, and you can communicate what you want, and they will communicate what they want, and if you are good with it, you can be mapped to any of the project. You don't need not to worry when you join in. You can just keep waiting, and when a suitable opportunity according to your profile comes to you, you can take that up and start working. So don't worry. If you're mapped, well and good. If you're not mapped to any project after joining also, they give ample time and ample opportunities to get what you like and for you to work on your skill set. So yeah, basically I've tried all the questions which I had on my mind, and I have listened to many of our colleagues asking them in different forums. So I tried to cover it. Please go ahead and comment uh, if you want to, or if you have some questions in your mind. I can make another video and try to answer on that questions. So thank you for listening. Have a great day and have a great life. Thank you.